doing, sir?
Good.
Good. What do you think of the show so far?
Very good. I've spent some money and sold some stuff. Had a good time.
Good, good.
Good show.
It's Mr. Hollowpoint. How are we doing, Mr. Hollowpoint?
That's me, Mr. Hollowpoint, the one and only.
That's right. All right.
Yeah, look at these new shirts that I have.
I love them. I love them. Where do we get them?
You're awesome.
They're on the website, right?
That's right.
All right. How we doing, Nick?
Good. Lots of good stuff here.
Yeah. There's Kristen. And she's gonna kill me later.
I've watched a lot of your videos. It's great. I lived there.
New silencer kit, new valve kit, everything on there. I've got a YouTube video she puts on. It gets 35 shots and 875 people that kit.
That one's got air pressure in it. This one, so you get a lot better control with this style valve, but you can get that tank with this. With this standard valve, it's $698.
All right, my name's Andrew. We're from Lawrenceburg, Indiana. I'm here with my son Gage, and we just you want to tell him about your gun?
I just bought the first day at 34.
Yep. So new to air rifles, so just enjoying the show here. Hi, I'm Matthew, and this is my son Micah, and we're from Lawrenceburg, Indiana. And this has been a really great show. It's a good event. Lots of vendors here. We're finding all kinds of good stuff.
Hi, I'm Ray with Ninja Air. You're watching Central Ohio Airgunners video at the Midwest Airgun Show. This probably looks familiar to most of the airgunners out there. Refill system, 3,000 PSI regulated output. We actually made a new one. It's valve activated here. It's unregulated, but with one turn I can activate and I deactivate. So now I can activate and deactivate with one turn of a lever. It also slow fills, so I can do 2, 25, 3, 36, whatever you have in the tank, I can fill it, any air rifle out there.
My name's Charles Richmond. I'm from outside of Troy, Ohio. Big air gun enthusiast, big shooter. I know Chad, several of the guys from Central Ohio Airgunners came over here to the show, first show. Really impressed. Nice facility. I believe the facility makes the show. Vendors, a lot of quality vendors, a lot of good stuff here. You guys missed out if you didn't come. Thanks.
And then you'll feel a little bit of an O-ring down there. You just want to stay seated on it. Just a little bit. And then all right. So then. The only thing I ask is that you don't aim it at the center, aim somewhere else now, because we got so many arrows there. We're going to pick the same arrow in another one. I'm going to rob into my arrows and we'll have arrows.
Midwest Airgun Show. My first time firing an air bow. Did a Robin Hood. Made Marion eat your heart out, baby.
Didn't even break the back ring of the other arrow. Split it. You can see a seam runs down to the tip right here. I mean, it is. I mean, that's
20 inches of arrow inside of 26 inches of arrow. That's
want
freaking
one.
crazy.
Go Midwest Airgun Show.
Central Ohio Airgunners.
Yeah, we had fun.
What'd you think after shooting that Pioneer?
I tell you what, this is awesome. This is really accurate and just a really cool experience. I wish I could take this thing out hunting and blow the doors off of something.
Mr. Hollow Point's gonna make a lot of noise if you want to come watch.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Doing well. What do you think of the range today?
We're having a great time with the range as always. It's good to meet the new shooters, and Chad's the best host in the world.
I don't know about that, but how was the show yesterday?
The show was fantastic. I think we had nearly 200 people, and seems like we had a lot of participants far away. Everybody got a lot of good deals, and had an especially good time at the range afterwards. Helped a lot of new shooters, and met a lot of experienced people. Met one super nice guy from England, so kind of an interesting fellow. So had a great time.
Awesome.
Well, I hope that was just enough footage to give you a little bit of a taste of what these airgun shows are all about. If you like these types of videos, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any comments, don't be afraid to leave them down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And until next time, may your pellets fly straight and your trigger pull stay smooth. And we'll see you right here on the Airgun Advisor.